Have you ever experienced a program suddenly stopping, perhaps while saving a document or fetching information from the internet? It can be a perplexing moment when an application you relying on simply cannot perform its expected task. Often, these interruptions stem from a fundamental interaction between the software and the outside world. Common types of input-output errors are problems that occur when a program attempts to read from or write to an external resource and encounters an unexpected obstacle. These resources can include files on a disk, data over a network, or interactions with peripheral devices. When these operations fail, the program cannot proceed as intended, often leading to a crash or an error message. The core reason for these failures lies in the program's reliance on factors beyond its direct control. Unlike internal computational errors, input-output issues arise from environmental conditions. For instance, a file system input-output error might occur because the program lacks the necessary permissions to access a specific file path, or the disk might be full, preventing new data from being written. Network-related input-output errors can happen when a server is temporarily unavailable, a connection times out, or the network cable is unplugged. Hardware-related input-output errors often signify a device that is not ready or has malfunctioned, like a disconnected printer or a damaged USB drive. Even data corruption or unexpected data formats can trigger input-output errors because the program cannot correctly interpret the information it receives. To effectively deal with these issues, you should first check the immediate environment. Verify file paths and permissions if working with local storage. For network operations, ensure connectivity and that the target service is operational. Always consult system logs and application-specific error messages, as they often provide crucial details about the precise nature of the failure, such as a file not found exception or a connection refused message. Implementing robust error handling within the program itself allows it to gracefully manage these external disruptions, informing the user rather than crashing abruptly. Understanding these external dependencies is key to building resilient software. Concepts such as resource contention, where multiple processes try to access the same resource simultaneously, can frequently lead to input-output errors, sometimes manifesting as file lock issues. Similarly, handling partial reads or writes, where only a portion of the expected data is transferred, requires careful programmatic design. Recognizing the underlying cause, whether it is a permissions issue, a network glitch, or a disk limitation, guides you towards a targeted solution rather than just reacting to the symptom. Ultimately, recognizing the various categories of input-output errors empowers you to anticipate potential points of failure and design systems that are robust against them. By understanding that these errors are often external to the application's logic, you can focus on checking environmental conditions and implementing strong exception handling, leading to more stable and dependable software experiences for everyone.
If this helps you fix faster, like, subscribe, and keep debugging with us.